So how do we get at something, whether it's true or not? How do we use that in an advanced way? Well, we have more operators. Now, last time we talked about mathematical operators. Plus, minus, modulus, floor division, increment. Those are all operators. Those are all mathematical operators. Comparison operators help us to arrive at a Boolean true or false. So this one says, is something equal? Okay, now notice two equal signs here. A lot of you are going to make the mistake of using a single equal sign when you should be using two. One equal sign says this is equal to that. X is equal to 5. If I have two equal signs, it becomes a question. Is X equal to 5? That's the difference. So we have, is it greater than? Is it less than? Is it greater than or equal to? Is it less than or equal to? And the extra fun one that says, is it not equal? So let's check out some of these in practice really quick. So let's say I have X is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 now because I said so. Now, if I print the question, is X equal to 5? If I run this code, what do you think it's going to output?
True.
True, right? Because that is true. Easy enough. So if I say this, what's it going to print? False. Because X is equal to 5, the question, is X not equal to 5, comes out as false. So if I say this, true or false? False, right? Because X is less than 9. But if I say this, now what? True. Because it's saying, is X greater than or equal to 9? And it is equal to 9. So if one of those is true, then we're in good shape. Okay, so that is how those work. And you can see, every time I'm using a comparison operator for a comparison formula here, what I get is either true or false. So I can use these inside my if statements to decide whether code is executed or not.